How to connect ChatGPT to N8N. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect your ChatGPT on N8N project. To connect, first click on the ChatGPT model, or you can add a ChatGPT model from the click on the plus icon, and then here search for ChatGPT. Just select the message model or any of them. So I already selected. Just click on that. Double click on it and then credential to connect with. Click on that. Create a new credential. To get the API key, just go to the google.com and then here search for ChatGPT API key. After that, go to the first link. Now on the top right corner, you will see create a new secret key option. Just click on that. Here, write a name. Project. You can choose your project. After that, create a secret key. And there you go. We have successfully created a secret key. Now just copy the secret key. Go to the N8N. Paste it here. Now just click on save. And there you go. Connection tested successfully. So that's how you can connect ChatGPT. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.